Catch you guys outside. 16 quiet. I have to change my phone.
Horrible.
You know there's a big mirror outside. Thank you. There's so much. Oh my goodness, I even forgot how to vlog. Hey garden family, welcome back to the channel, you guys. Take one, take two. I don't know how I feel about my hair, but this is the start of a new vlog, you guys. Hi garden family, hi just God, hope you guys are doing well. If you are new here, my name is Leletie and we are just good vibes over here. Make sure that you subscribe and join the family. So first things first is I'm going to change my laptop battery. I pretty much can't do anything with school stuff, and you know, like in this period I'm busy with my thesis, everything that I have to do, most of the stuff I have to use my laptop. So hopefully those people ain't gonna charge me much. Actually, a friend of mine referred me to this place, so I'm actually gonna meet him, then he's gonna take me there so that I don't get lost. Okay you guys, oh my laptop is really heavy. I'm gonna have to stop here. Guys, I've arrived. My friend thought I was gonna use the African time and arrive late. We had agreed. What is wrong with this shoe? We had agreed that we'll meet at 12. It's 12:15, but he said that he's gonna be here in like, hold on, he said that he's gonna be here in like 5 minutes. While I was waiting, I decided to check out this small shop. Well, little did I know it's not so small as it appeared. It's kind of like one of those shops which we call China shops back home, where you just want to buy everything that you set your eyes on. I'm really looking forward to come back here. It was so much fun. Everything was so affordable. Guys, those are those shops that you just enter and you find the things that you want to buy, even if you didn't know you need those things. It's quiet. The blue one is nice. My mom would love this though. This is just 16 kwai. This is less than $3, I think. Okay guys, enough of me and my gallivanting. My friend said you will be here in, he then said 7 minutes. That's why I was still gallivanting, but yeah, let's just wait. I'll just wait for him. I really wanted to show you almost everything in this shop. After we left my laptop, but to collect it in an hour, we just decided to look around, and this is how the place looks like. They only sell gadgets, phones, cameras, printers. iPads, laptops. I even saw speakers and ring lights. They also do swap and top in some shops there, and they also sell second-hand gadgets. Damn, I have to change my phone.
有这个呀，这个 一样的价格。
These are not new phones, are they? They don't look new to me.
No, they're not new. They say
Second hand.
Second hand, yeah. 漂亮，漂亮，漂亮。
It's there, let me take it. Guys, we're at bigOffs. My friend just wanted to check some stuff, so let me get a basket. Guys, we're at the shoe section, and one nice thing about the shoe section is they like have sizes written. You can just go where your size is and find your shoes. This is too small for me.
You like these sneakers?
But they feel very light.
159. You want it to be heavy.
This is cute. What the fuck?
My money, right?
I didn't expect that much for this small bag. No, but it doesn't feel comfortable here.
But you take the bigger size. Orobo.
It's not bad.
You know what Nigerians call Orobo?
Nigerians do what?
Do you know what Nigerians call Orobo?
Uh-uh.
So that is chubby.
And this one. I found another color that I like, but I'll still settle for my orange. This looks nice when my hair is, this looks nice when my hair is not bulky like this. You know there's a big mirror outside.
Oh, so you're taking it for that?
No, I have a mirror here too. Oh, damn. Thank you. Guys, I saw flowers here. But how am I gonna carry them with my laptop? Okay guys, so I don't know how we ended up getting some stuff. Oh, we're done. Yeah, so now I'm gonna get my laptop. You have to hold both. Be a gentleman. Guys, I messed up my hair when I was trying out that hoodie at bigOffs. So my friend had to quickly go back to work. It's 2. He had to be at work at 2:30. I'm gonna go take my laptop by myself. Actually, my laptop was giving me problems, and guys, it's new. I saved up for this laptop. I didn't even use it for more than 3 months. Yeah, it wasn't charging unless it was connected. So they said that it would take 1 hour to change the battery and adapter. 200 and something RMB. Hi.
It's okay. You can
好了没？
I test.
是哪个？
I hear.
以前不会 charge. I can't charge unless it's on power. So can I? Can you connect it? The adapter changed, ma?
Adapter and the battery.
Yeah, this is the old battery.
One is 那个 orange 的。
Alright, thank you so much.
平淡的。
I'm just a girl
Hi Golden Squad, let's go get your girl slashes done. This is the finished look, you guys. Comment down below, how did I do? Do you like this look? Or maybe I did too much, I don't know, but I'm sure you guys can tell. Like, you can see some spots here. I just didn't want to do like a full cover up with foundation. I'm gonna do my press-ons real quick. I hate coming back to a mess after groove. I'm quickly gonna just clean up my mirrors and yeah, catch you guys outside. Hopefully I'm gonna be able to like catch a few moments, because one thing about me, I'm gonna like vow that I'm gonna vlog when I'm outside. Guys, there is no time to be vlogging when you're outside.
Damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't he packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna romp. Big boobs in the bus, they pump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like, I said,
No, I like that lighting. There's another lighting at the end of the tunnel. That rhymes with there's light at the end of the tunnel. Anyways, guys, like realistically speaking, in this tunnel there is light at the beginning and at the end. So I'm just waiting for the last lighting just to be here and see how my makeup is. Oh wow, okay, it's not bad. I know you people might think I'm drunk. I'm not drunk. I'm definitely not one of those people that just sleep after groove. I can't. I'm gonna remove this wig. I'm gonna remove this makeup. I'm gonna take a good shower, get into my PJs, get comfy, and call it a night. It's 6 o'clock. Oh my god, so I really don't know when I'm gonna like pick up the camera and just talk to you guys again. But ciao. Home sweet home, so good to be home, home, home sweet home. That's the chord.